Now, may I present in front of you the classification of the fishes. So, fishes constitutes more than 50% of all vertebrates with 4,000 species. Langler's 1977 regarding the classification of fishes, there is no agreement among the ichthyologists. In 1844, J. Muller proposed first classification of the fishes, and he divided ichthyofauna into six subclasses as a Daphnoid, Teleostomi, Gnathodii, Elasmobranchi, Marci, Porpobranchi, Cyclostomy, and Leptocardium, or it is also known as Amphioxy. In the year 1904, Bongler classified the skeleton depending teleosteme fishes into 13th order. In 1923, Jordan divided into the 6 classes. So, in this classification of the term Pisces was found only fishes, gnathostomes, means jaw fishes. The entire classification is based on the phylogeny, natural history of kingdom Pisces. Birds divided series Pisces into classes avoided the other term to use Placoder, Contractis fishes, etc. Berg classified a simple than the previous order system. He changed the name of the orders and ended the ending as order, forms, suborder, Oide, family, Iode, subfamily. Bergs made the classification more precise by avoiding the subclasses. So, to study of the fishery, to classification as a kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species. The kingdom is the biggest or highest level of the biological classifications scales. Living creatures as the classed as part of the animal kingdom. Phylum splits animal by major characteristics. Vertebrates, fishes, birds, mammals, etc. and humans are in the chordate phylum. So class is the distinguishing further fishes as divided into the Contractis species, Cartilaginous species, and Osteoptis species, means it is known as a bony fishes. In order, further differentiates by the physical characteristics. In the family, form follow on form of order, placing into the group of the further physically characteristics. For example, cod, goldfish, bullocks, and whiting are all members of the Cadence fishes. Now, genus is the further final breakdown. For example, cod are the Gadus genus to differentiate them from the other fishes in the Gadiate family. Now, in the species is the final step and pinpoints the exact creatures. For example, Atlantic cod species name is the Godus marua. Now, there are different aspects to divided the classification of the fishes. These are the according to the nature of the skeleton, fish with the cartilage, fish with the bones, on the basis of the accommodations, fish of the according to the presence of the scales. There are the different aspects to study of the classification of the fishes. Now, firstly, according to the nature of skeleton. This type of the fishes are of two type of according to the nature of the skeletons. Bony fish and contractile fishes. Now, fishes with the cartilage. The fishes which has soft skeleton and built by the cartilage is known as fish with the cartilage. Dogfish, sawfish, etc. are fish with the cartilage. Now third one is a fish with the bone. This type of the fish has strong skeleton and well structured with bone, and they are known as fishes with bone. Rohu, katla, mrigal, etc. are fish with the bones. On the basis of the accommodations, the fishes are the three type of the basis of their accommodations. Firstly, the freshwater fish is the freshwaters livings. Some fish is semi-salt waters, means brackish waters or estuarine fisheries. And third one is a saltwater fishes. They are living in the sea waters. So first of all, this type of the fish living in the ponds, river, canal, fen, etc. with freshwater. Some freshwater fishes breeds are rohu, katla, mrigal, cyprinus scarpio, etc. are the freshwater fishes. Now semi-saltwater fishes or brackish water fishes, this type of the fishes living in the estuary and they are bay with the semi-saltwater. Tangra, bhikti, gurjali, etc. is the saltwater or semi-saltwater fishes or brackish water fishes. Now sea water fishes or saltwater fishes, this type of fishes lives in the salt water. They generally live in the sea and coastal area. Some species, that is a Hilsa elisa, Rapchanda, Bela, etc. is the saltwater fishes of the classified. Now, according to the presence of the scale on the body, there are the fishes are two type of the basis of their scales: fish with the scale, fish without scales. Now first, fish with the scale, the fishes which body is covered with scale is known as a fishes with the scale. Rohu, katla, mrigal, kalbasu, etc. The fishes with the scales means on the body there are placoid scales, ctenoid scale, ganoid scale and cycloid scale. There are the four type of the scales are present on the body externally. Now second one is a fish without scale. The fishes which has no scale on the body is called fishes without scale. Some fishes without scale as a catfish, papta, tangra, balls. The body is a snake-like structures of the animals. That is a without scale of the fishes. So thank you.